Here is my video for how I got my answer for quiz 4. So my answer that I got was 25.8 meters per second. We were asked to find the velocity at the end of the thrust after this rocket was launched. And we know that the force is constant, and here I drew a picture of kind of get an idea of how everything fits. So we know that it starts at 0 meters per second for velocity and just starts straight to thrust, thrust until about here, and then the rest is just kind of as it floats off or whatever. And so in order to find the final velocity at the end of the thrust, I used conservation of energy plus work equation. So I have my T1 plus work equals T2. T1 is initial kinetic energy. T2 is final kinetic energy. Here I broke it up into 1/2 mv squared plus my sum of forces times the distance traveled is equal to 1/2 mv final squared. This is just 0, so that goes away, and so I'm left with this equation right here. I know everything in here except for v final, which is what I'm solving for. So I manipulate the equation, solve for it. And this is, well, actually, this is the equation that I get up here, minus that 2. That was a mistake. So this is the equation I get up here. I plugged everything in down here, and this is the equation I was using. Solve for v, and I got 25.8 meters per second.